Hey guys, I'm Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel. In this video I will show you dramatic color grading effect in Photoshop. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and please hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video, and follow me on my Instagram where I upload my new artwork on regular basis. Alright, as always, select your image. Go to adjustment, use saturation. Here, decrease saturation up to 30 to 35. Again, go to adjustment, solid color, and pick black color. Change blend mode to soft light and again reduce opacity to 50%. Select gradient map. Here you can see a legacy gradient, photography tone. Now this is Photoshop preset gradient, available on any version of Photoshop. Go to this one, gold copper gradient. Change blend mode to soft light and reduce opacity to 60%. And that's it. This is my final output. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Photoshop, don't forget to click the like button, sharing this video, and subscribe this Adobe Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Photoshop effect tutorials. Also, you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video soon. I'm Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel.